and welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're going to be mixing these two solutions. This one here, copper sulphate, and this one here, sodium carbonate. Now this one's obviously copper because it's sort of bluey colour there. This one's more clear so you wouldn't notice as easily. So first I'm going to put a funnel into the sodium carbonate. I'm going to mix this with copper sulphate and it should create a precipitate. Right, so you can see it's now gone a lot cloudier. I've got to stir it here. So here, you can see it's a lot cloudier now than it was before. You can always see bits floating around in it. Now I'm going to filter this out. However, when I filter it, I need to get the precipitate out of here and get the rest of the solution that's not reacted out of it. And then, to split it up, I'm going to cut you to the next bit where I'm going to heat up the precipitate on its solid form without any moisture on it, and then you're going to see a colour change. So far I've mixed sodium carbonate solution and copper sulphate, and I've just mixed the copper sulphate into the water for you here, done all that earlier. And in a second you're going to see me with the dried form of precipitate, and we're going to be heating up this dry precipitate for then see a colour change hopefully. So I'll see you in a second then.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. So now we have got the substance here that we made last time before I just cut you out there, and this is of course copper carbonate. As you can see here, I filtered it off last time and now it's here in solid form, not in solution form. It's a bit bluey because it's got the copper in it of course. Now I'm going to put onto this spoon here. Of course that's on top of the spirits burner, which is going to heat the spoon up and heat the copper carbonate up. And as it heats up, it should hopefully release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and it should turn black to show that it's copper oxide. So I'm just going to carefully put it on here, like so. Bring you a little closer so you can see there that is of course green, to show that this is still in the form of copper carbonate. Now I'm going to light the spirit burner. It's now heating up. You can see it's still green, however it should be turning. So just make sure that's still under there. There we go, it's starting to now turn slowly and slowly darker. Now this is because it's releasing the carbon dioxide off, it's replacing it, so all that's going to be left is going to be copper oxide as it's reacted with oxygen in the air. Right, now I think you should be able to see it a bit more now. It's turning black. There we go. Almost completely black now. And there. So now I'm going to put out the spirit burner. So over here. And I will take off the spoon to make sure you get a good look what it looks like. So here, as you can see, there you go, that's a copper oxide there. Now, what you could also do with this is you could react this with some acid to then create a more bluey solution once again. How I'm not going to do that today, it's take a little more time to make the acid ready. Also the vinegar as you use might dilute the colour. So there we go, I have made, at the beginning, you may have not seen, but I had made the copper sulphate solution and the sodium carbonate solution. And then I reacted those together to make a precipitate, which you should have seen quite easily in the test tube. And then with that, I then filtered it off. With the filter, I got the solid out of it, put it into this Here's a crystal dish. And then I've heated up now to make a copper oxide. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I know it's been a while since I posted the last video, but I hope this video has been good, because I've been using some of this new equipment I don't think you've seen before. I've got the boss here, and attach it to this new kind of clamp which can be used for the spoons and such like that. So hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you and goodbye.